Morning guys, woke up quite late this morning, but yet another beautiful day here on Lakeside. Today should be quite a fun, interesting video, especially for the Nepali people, because I'm going to do a full day of eating video, showing you breakfast, lunch and dinner, and I'm probably going to go a bit more traditional than what I usually do. The last few days I've been having fried rice and pizza and stuff like that, but today we'll get some momos for lunch, omelette for breakfast, standard, and then some Dal Bhat for dinner. And yeah, should be a good, nice chilled out video, and we can get some Nepali food in my belly. Right, ladies and gentlemen, first meal of the day isn't a very Nepali dish, I think it's a worldwide dish. The omelette from the juicery. I'm pretty sure most people know this is what I have every morning for breakfast. And in here I have some chocolate cake. I know that's a weird combination, an omelette and then chocolate cake, but when in Rome, just do it. Let me show you why this is the best omelette I've ever had. First things first, we got coriander, we got spinach of some sort. We've got cheese, tomato, onion, garlic. We've got a lovely piece of sourdough. I absolutely love this breakfast. But as I said a few videos back, after how many days has it been? 55 days or something like that? I'm now beginning to get a little bit bored. Later today I'll definitely get some momos and some Dal Bhat though, because that's true Nepalese style and it tastes so good. So good. I honestly can't even remember how many times I've recorded myself eating. If you're getting bored of these videos, let me know, because you know, it's becoming slightly difficult now to come up with new ideas. In the beginning I was full of ideas, but now, you know, the ideas are starting to dry. So if you have any ideas or things you want to see me do, see me try, some experiences here in Nepal or in Pokhara, let me know, because you know, it would be good to get some fresh ideas and get a bit more creative again. And obviously a lot of people watching my videos are Nepali, so I appreciate that a lot, and I'm sure there's many things that you could suggest for me to try and do. So yeah, whack it down in the comments for some things that you think I should try and do. Ideally I'd be love to making these videos actually traveling Nepal, going to different regions, different parts, east, west, south, you name it. I'd love to explore the whole country, but at the moment it's difficult. So as I say, it will be good. Any suggestions, any ideas, throw them at me on Instagram. Will's Whereabouts, the same as my YouTube. Send me a message, and you know, any suggestions greatly appreciated. Now, one thing I would absolutely love to do, and I'm reaching out to the people watching my video, is go to a Nepali wedding. If anyone knows of a wedding happening, maybe when this lockdown is finished, please send me a message on Instagram and let me know, because I would absolutely love to go to a Nepali wedding. I think that would be awesome. What an experience that would be. And it would be so much fun to meet everyone, get dressed up, have a nice little Nepali dance, drink some rice wine, some Dal Bhat. That would be awesome. It's okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay guys, just went and picked up the momos, vegetable cheese. So I'll open them up, show you what they look like. Flies everywhere. So many flies and mosquitoes now with all the rain that's been coming. Oh, I'm hungry. Right, time to get into these hopefully delicious momos. Okay then, let's see what we're dealing with here. I can't remember if I ordered fried or steamed. I'll be totally honest with you, momos are not my favourite thing in the world, but I haven't had them in a while, and these ones are vegetable cheese. Oh, looking good. Oh, okay, these smell pretty good. So a momo is basically, well, I'm sure 99.9% of the people watching my videos, they know what momos are, but for those people that don't, it's how do you describe it? Like a dumpling, kind of, with some sort of filling. This one, as I said, vegetable and cheese. I don't know, I assume it's just normal cow cheese, not yak cheese. And then it comes with this orange sauce, which I absolutely love. So dipping this in with this, beautiful, beautiful combination. How many have I got? I've got 2, 4, 6, about 10 momos. For me, I never really see momos as a meal. It's more of like a snack. But today that's all I got for lunch, so we'll dive in, see how it tastes. Okay, dip it in this orange sauce, which I'm not sure what it's made out of, but it's really nice. Okay. Good momos. Very nice. I love the texture of them though. That kind of soft, doughy shell is lovely with this sauce and the cheese. And it looks like there's potato, carrots, lettuce, and onion, I think. So momos are good. These ones are actually very good. God, I love cheese so much. But God, it's so expensive here in Nepal. It's like the same price as it is in England. This sauce is so good. Oh yeah, focus on the momo, not my face. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm enjoying these a lot today. I have tried Snickers momo when I was trekking. They were good. That was really nice just to have a chocolate momo. So nice. You can get buff momo, which I haven't tried, but buff is okay. I don't mind buff. I tried it on the Langtang Valley trek. It's just very chewy meat. And then you can get chicken momos, which I think is like minced chicken. And again, that's really nice. But I like, to be honest, just the vegetable and cheese momos. Along with this sauce, it's the perfect combination. 5 down, or 4 down, 6 to go. And I also treated myself to a chocolate croissant, which I get almost every day. That's 50 rupees. These momos were 180. Don't know if that's a good or a bad price. I assume it's just an average price because it seems fairly cheap to me compared to some of the other places, just the standard momo price. What would be nice is to get like a nice spicy momo. That would be cool. Nothing too spicy because I don't want my head to fall off. You can also get fried momos, which I haven't actually tried. I always just go with the steamed because I just assume the steamed are a bit nicer, because the fried obviously will have a hard shell, hard batter, I think. I do love the food in Nepal. It's all healthy. Well, not all of it obviously, but healthy, lots of vegetables, lots of flavour, lots of spice, exactly what you want when you come to a country and you want to experience the new foods. Nepal really does have some great dishes. The problem with these are, I know I'm still going to be hungry after 10 momos. So I don't know if it's a thing to have momos and something else, maybe momos and Dal Bhat for lunch, but I'll save the Dal Bhat for later for dinner. Hopefully I can actually get some because it's a bit difficult with everything being shut here obviously during the lockdown. But the guys at the hostel, they make some awesome meals. Sometimes I cook as well, but tonight they might be cooking Dal Bhat or some sort of equivalent. Oh! Sorry about that. The momo. Blame the momo. And look at this chocolatey pastry goodness. Look at that. Oh! Sorry, that was a weird noise. Chocolate, cinnamon, sugar, all kind of blended up, I think, and put in this nice croissant. This is lovely. Oh yeah. We always get monkeys in this tree here. And me and Ricardo got some pizza and then went downstairs, and the monkeys just came and grabbed all the Ricardo's crust and everything. They took his bananas the other day. So these monkeys are cheeky bastards because they just play on the tree, muck around, and then as soon as we're gone, they come and take our food. But they're not here today. There was literally like a whole family of them. 6, 7, 8 of them yesterday. It was amazing. Right guys, dinner time has arrived and I do have Dal Bhat here. So it's not a traditional Dal Bhat because it doesn't have the curd, the yogurt, even though that's the same thing, or the spinach, or what else is that meant to have, lime and pickle. But it's the only thing that I could actually get for today because you know, a lot of places are closed, so it's difficult to get a full-on proper Dal Bhat. But this, I had it last night, it's absolutely delicious. I love Dal Bhat. I had it all the time when I was trekking in the mountains, because there's nothing better than being able to eat as much as you want when you've trekked all day. Because the thing with Dal Bhat is, well, I don't know if this is true for all of them, it always seems to be refillable, if that makes sense. They always bring more rice, more dal, more curry, more everything. So that's why I love it. You can pay for one meal, and in actual fact you can have 4 or 5 meals, or as much as you want, most of the time anyway. So we'll get stuck into it. I'll eat it with my hands, which I haven't done in a while, to be honest with you. Usually obviously I use the spoon. So but I know the technique of how to eat it, I think anyway. Scoop it up in there, should be good. But I don't know how hot this is, so we'll find out. If my friends in England saw me eating the way I'm about to eat, they would literally be like, what the hell are you doing? But obviously in Nepal it's traditional to eat with your hands, so I believe you just pour everything on top of the rice, wow that is hot, and mix it all together. I hope I washed my hands, I think I did. Oh fuck, that's so hot. I'm not going to put the dal in because I like the dal afterwards. Oh my god. I'm going to wait a few minutes for that to cool down. The thing that I love about Dal Bhat is that they all taste completely different. Different spices, different vegetables, different ways of cooking things. This Dal Bhat tastes completely different to the one I had in the video where I met the children on the bikes. So that's nice because you don't get bored of eating the same food all the time. Oh my god, this looks boiling. This is my technique, right? I know you're meant to mash everything up. Ah, that is hot. Oh my god. Hey, like this. Get it in like that. Ah, that's hot. Get some messy fingers like a child, but it's good. I like eating with my hands. I did it a lot in India. But wowee. But I haven't done it a lot yet in Nepal. So good. And usually I think it's tradition to, or it's not tradition, it's just the way that Nepali people eat it is by scrunching up the vegetables and everything in the sauce so it all gets absorbed by the rice. So Dal Bhat power, 24-hour is the classic saying of this dish. So tomorrow I should be feeling nice and strong. If there's Western people watching this, they'll be thinking, what the hell is he doing? But I like this. Back to basics. Ah! That rice is so hot. I'm gonna sneeze now. Hopefully that's not coronavirus. I'm pretty sure that was just rice that went up my nose. Hot potato. I haven't had a proper Dal Bhat in a while actually, since I went trekking. With that kind of tortilla crispy thing. As I said, the curd, the pickle and everything. And the spinach, the sag. Yeah, the sag, I think it is. That is good stuff. But I'm not a fan of the pickle, it's so sour. Obviously it depends on what it's made out of. Oh. Hiya. Hot potato. Ha. Woo. Ah, screw it. I've already started, I might as well eat it properly. The dal is in, mix it all together. This is probably hilarious for the Nepali people to watch me eating this like this. I don't understand the point of mixing it all together though, because then you don't get the true flavours of each ingredient. Now I'm going to have a mouthful of rice, dal and curry, so I won't have the curry and rice just as one. But hey ho, when in Nepal, you've got to try these experiences. It's a sad, lonely night tonight because Ricardo cooked his pasta and went off to bed. The moon looks absolutely amazing, but I can't quite see it because it's just behind the hill. But today's been a very chilled day. Hopefully not a boring video. Just thought I'd do a full day of eating. Omelette this morning, momos for lunch, and the classic Dal Bhat for dinner. I find it amazing that people in Nepal eat Dal Bhat for lunch and for dinner. Twice a day, every single day for your whole life. Don't you get bored of that? Every day eating the same thing. I could eat like this for a month or something, but after that I'd be craving some pizza and chicken and all that good stuff. If anybody knows any other traditional Nepali dishes that I can try, then let me know. Is it common as well to eat this late? It's 9 o'clock at night. And you know, I go to bed at 10:30, and then I've just finished a huge plate of Dal Bhat. Usually in England I eat, I don't know, between 7 and 8. Sometimes late if I'm feeling lazy, but I don't know if it's a common thing to eat this late in Nepal. Here's the technique, by the way, let me show you. Scoop it up and then push with the thumb. And then slurp it up. Delicious. Right, I'm going to stop talking and finish this up. Oh, fucking hell. I keep getting rice up my nose. Somehow. Oh. God gave us these hands, and nowadays they're getting used less and less and less. So it's good to go back to the basics of cavemen. Nowadays everyone just uses their hands on their laptop, on their phone. Especially where I'm from, people are very bad at manual labour and DIY kind of stuff, so this feels good. Oh, I'm sweating. It's like a workout eating Dal Bhat. See, now I'm not quite sure how to get up this last bit of rice and dal. I'm going to sneeze again. More rice. Why does rice keep going up my nose? Is that normal? Oh my god. I've got to eat this like a dog now. How do I get this up? This is absolutely disgusting. I wonder if anyone's still watching. Mum, I hope you're proud. Oh, that'll do. And the best bit, lick my fingers, hopefully they're clean. I did stroke the dog a lot today, but we'll guess we'll find out tomorrow if I'm sick. That was delicious. For some reason now I've got a runny nose. Is it all over my mouth? Yes, and my hands. Oh. Okay, my battery ran out on the camera, but that is today's video finished. Full day of eating. Omelette, momos, Dal Bhat, delicious with the hands. Hopefully I won't dribble it all over myself next time, but you can only get better, hey? Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like and comment any foods that you think maybe I should try in the future, because, you know, who knows how long I could be here in Nepal. The lockdown, I think, is probably going to get extended, so we'll have to see. Take each day as it comes, as I keep saying. Please make sure to subscribe if you do like the videos, and thank you so much for watching, and I shall catch you in the next one. Peace!